Fix Xbox app error 0x87e50036 in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Fix 1. Free up some space. Some users reported that they managed to fix the error after freeing up some space. For example, Windows Update files may sometimes take a lot of space, and if not cleared, they might result in no space remaining for the game to be launched properly. Fix 2. Check your network connection. An unstable or poor network connection might result in a 0x87e50036 error. To resolve it, follow these steps. Fix 3. Install updates for Xbox app and Windows. Fix 4. Clean Microsoft Store cache. Fix 5. Repair or reset the Xbox app.